I'm Thom. I just got off the Blizzard Bonafide. This gets a 5 out of 5 and is my favorite ski in the world. It just absolutely shreds. It's 98 underfoot, so it's super versatile. It gets up on the edge, it carves like a champ, it goes as fast as you want it to. Doesn't matter what kind of turn shape you want, it's super dynamic, it'll adapt on the fly. It's really geared for your advanced to expert level charging skier who's looking for one ski to go everywhere, eat up crud, eat up bumps, slay it in the powder, and still rip groomers at the end of the day.